put this link to our chat, and then Cursor can read this one and create the HTML and CSS code and implement this as application tool.
A few moments later.
Apply. Oh, this is good. Hello, in today's video I will show you a new approach how you can import your Figma file to the Cursor and build your MVP or POC or landing pages using AI technology. So as you remember, in the previous video I showed the manual approach, how you can do this through the HTML and CSS code when we copy paste this one manually and put into the pages. But now we have a new way. It's MCP server. I guess you probably hear about MCP server. It's like a direct connection between Cursor and between Figma, and it helps you to copy link to the frame or to the component and paste to the chat. So for example, usually what we need to do, copy this frame, put this link to our chat, and then Cursor can read this one and create the HTML and CSS code. Now I will show you how you can do this. MCP server built by Graham. So I'll also share his video and link to this repository. So now we need just copy this one, clone this repository to our project. Okay, we need to set dependencies. So you can find here, like you can set up your server. Like it's a clear instruction, I'm just reuse this. Then we need to copy this tool. So you can just check how you can do this, but I already have it. Cursor settings. This is our MCP server. We can refresh it, but we will work with it. Also, we need to switch our chat window to the agent because we have 3 different modes. In this case, we need agent. Yeah, we have a green dot. It means it's okay, it works. So we have option to start interact with our chat. Just go to the Figma, click on copy link, go to this chat, put this frame here. Okay, so we can see that our process started. It started to download our SVG icons. My recommendation, do not use borders here. So I think it would be a better way to select and create outline stroke. I propose you to have quality names for every layer because large language model try to identify the names of these components and build the user flow and build the UX. So it's important to rename every layer and have a clear names. You can choose for this one, like rename layers. It's Figma AI, so you can select this approach here. Maybe it's for paid plan, but it's a good alternative for automation, but you can do this manually. Apply this one. Apply this one. Reveal and Finder. Open this project. So we have, it's ugly. Okay, let's try this one. Fix UI and use mockup as a reference. Put real movie poster. Okay, let's check. It starts to be better. If you create a PRD document before start to working with Cursor, and you can put this PRD document here in the project file and select this one as a context. Okay, I have prepared a new portion of prompt because I'm tested this page. I see some mistakes and I want to fix something. Okay. Whoa. Comedy. Apply. This is stupid. We have the filters, but it's not actually the pop-up. Oh, this is good. When user, click on submit. Let's test it. Back. I'm the beginner in the vibe coding, in prompt driven designs. Guys, usually need to wait like 5 minutes for generating, and I will crop and trim this part inside video, so I just want to show you the result, how you can. Now we have the hover over effects that show information about the movie. I don't know why it's gray. Probably it's not upload poster. Okay, for example, Avatar movie. Why it's not clickable? It's a bug. For example, Citizen Kane. Click on submit. Go to our watched movie. Let's remove this one. I have a new portion of changes, so let's test it. I like this one. It's amazing. It's amazing. This is rating, so as I understand, we can have IMDb API and we can upload this rating here. This is a good. We need to prepare PRD documents that describe logic for every component, because as you can see, I have only one sentences. But if you prepare like a good product requirement document, it would be a great. Thank you for watching. It would be like first step to prompt driven design, because I'm the designer, I have no coding skills. So at like my first attempt, I guess this video was available for. Bye.